Hi, in this session, we'll discuss data type. Okay, so let me open the notepad. Data type. So in PowerShell, data type takes default. If you see in some C program and all, we have to define the data type, right? In the beginning of the program. Just we need to for number integer or for decimal, we have to make double or char string. We need to define, right, the data type. In the PowerShell, no need to define, it takes default. Okay, we'll see that. So we'll just create one variable, just randomly you can type anything. We'll give some number. And we'll just see the properties of this variable. Okay, we'll go for get member. So you can see the properties here, right? See here, get type. This is method. Okay, method always end with its bracket. It is depends. Sometimes it's empty bracket. If any value if we need to enter, it's a depends. So depends on the methods. Okay. In some methods we need to provide the values. Here it is empty. So methods always end with bracket. So get type is the property to find the data type. We'll see that. Let's clear the screen. Okay. Get type. Okay. It is the data type taken default. We have not defined anything, right? So if we modify this with more numbers, now we'll see the data type. So it is automatically changed to 64, right, from 32. This is storage capacity 32 and 64, which we already discussed in this session, I remember. Okay, so the default data type can be changed. Okay, for changing this we call typecasting. Okay, I'll just show one example. So $B equal to 10, just one variable. Okay, so we'll see the data type of this. Get type. At default, that is showing int 32, right? So what we'll do, we'll just change the data type. We'll make byte. Okay, now we'll see the data type. This change it to byte, right? This way we can change it. Okay, the default one we can change it. So we'll see one more example. Just $C equal to 10.99. There is a decimal value here, right? So we'll see what will be the data type. See displayed here. C dot get type. See, it is double, right? When there is a decimal, it has automatically taken double as a data type. Okay. So we'll see string as well. We'll just take $D equal to ABC. So we'll see the data type of this. What is the data type? Okay, so $D dot get type. So it is showing string here, right? Okay. If we want, we can make this as a character. Just we have to give char and $D equal to, we can give the value. Character, what is a character? It takes only one value. String, I mean one character. Okay. String is more than one character, right? So data char represent only one character. It is useful when we will take the input yes or no and all, right? So in the script, we'll ask the input when we run the script. Press yes or no. Okay. If we need to press only one character, Y or N, right? Only one character. Press Y or N. We need to that is one character only, right? So in that case, we'll define char. Okay. If it is user is typing more than one character, it won't take. Okay. So it will take accept Y or no. In that case, if we need only one character in the script, we'll use that. We'll see that when we write the script. Okay. And one more data type is uh, date time. So we'll see that. Just I will create one variable, enter date equal to, just give one random date 01 01 2024. Okay. So we'll see it is displayed here, right? We'll see what is the data type of this. So get type, it is showing string, right? Default it is showing string. So we need to store this in the date time format. So we need to change the data type for this. We'll see that. Date time, this is one data type. Then give enter date. Now we'll provide the date. Okay. 01 01 2024. So we have given proper data type, that is date type. We'll enter this. Now we'll see enter date. See, it is displayed with proper date format and time format, right? Okay. And now one more data type we'll discuss, that is Boolean. I'll type here. So what all we discussed? We discussed int, then string, char, date time. Now we are discussing Boolean data type. Okay. This Boolean data type, it should be true or false. And for true, we can make one as well. And for the false, we can provide 0 as well. Okay. True or 1 or false. false or 0. Okay, so we'll see that. Let's clear the screen. So we'll define this data type, just B double O L. Okay, bool. Then we'll take one random character H equal to true. Okay, or 1. So H is equal to true, right? So here we can provide 1 as well, the value. It is still showing true, right? Same way, we'll see false. Just take one random character equal to false. Okay, we need to provide a dollar. It's a Boolean value, right? We need to provide a dollar. So G showing false. Again, we can give the 0 here. Okay. Again, these things will use in the script. Okay, that time you understand better. There are some more data type like array, hash table, XML. Okay, we'll discuss those whenever we use them in the script. Okay, we are done with this session. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.